And I found my solo 401k. It depends. Hi, this is Jane. Welcome back to our Tax-Exempt Millionaire Club. If you're still not a member of Tax-Exempt Millionaire Club, feel free to join this by scanning the QR code. It will send you directly to the school community. You can apply and join us. Today, I want to give you this example and see if this person is eligible and how much he can fund. Let's take a quick look and explain this situation in detail. Question is, I am a 1099 employee, but I have 401k from my employer. Can I still fund my solo 401k? The answer is yes, as long as your business is a legit business. First of all, the solo 401k has to be associated with a self-employment in business engagement. So in this case, you have to have a legit side business and have earned income. Even you have already participated in your company as a contractor, as a 1099 contractor, you can still fund your solo 401k as long as you have the side business and your side business is a legit business and no W-2 employees. This is important. Your side business should have no W-2 employees. 1099 contractors does not count as employees. Potentially, your spouse can participate in your side hustle, in your side business. Let's take a look at the contribution limit. He has the 401k from his employer. That will change how much he can fund. The employer and employee on the 401k side, now 2025, the maximum amount is $23,500. Please note this maximum account, which we talked about several times, 70,000 up to, if you have the mega catch up between age 60 to 63, 81 to 50. This amount is shared between the company 401k plan and your solo 401k plan. In addition, there's a calculation. You can fund up to 25% of your self-employment income. But just say the calculated result, 25% of your self-employment income is 50,000. You cannot do the 70,000. It will be the 25% of your net self-employment income. Remember, this is the net for this kind of contribution because there's a tax advantages and there should be a good planning. It's very important to talk to CPAs, attorneys, or whoever you're working with. Check with your employer 401k plan administrator. They should be able to direct you to some useful resources. If you're doing the self-directed Roth Solo 401k, check with the custodian you want to work with. I will list some of the custodians I personally use or some custodians which I've heard of, but I don't receive any monetary kickback. I'm just here to share all the resources. Actually, it's a good time for me to do a very quick disclaimer. I'm not a CPA, financial advisor, attorney, or tax attorney. I'm an independent life insurance agent in multiple states. All content here are for educational and entertainment only. This question only explains if he can contribute and how much. When it comes to if he wants to do the traditional Roth, how much he can do Roth, how much he can do traditional, how to balance it out, that's another episode. We'll not go into details. It really depends on his employee if they allow any in-service conversion to Roth account. Just remember, all those limits will be the top numbers. You cannot stack different retirement accounts and exceed that maximum ceiling. That's all I prepared for you today. As you can see, sometimes things can be complicated. That's why you always want to talk to professionals. They are living and breathing in plan administration, compliances, tax consequences, contribution limits. When can you contribute? What's the deadline? What's the tax impact? Talk to them and figure out the best way for you in your particular situation. Our call to action today is to take a look and learn about self-directed Roth Solo 401k. It's one of the best tools I discovered when you want to really shift your wealth accumulation into the tax-exempt bucket. Like we always said, don't let banks, taxes, or outdated advice limit your wealth. Join our TMC today and learn with a group of like-minded people so it will propel you further and faster. Own your bank, own your wealth, your future, all tax exempt. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.